an ergonomics consultant, I don't normally like to recommend a lot of equipment. I much prefer to find simpler solutions. However, there are a couple pieces of equipment that can be appropriate in certain situations. One is this keyboard. It's called the Kinesis Freestyle keyboard. This has something called the VIP accessory on it. The reason why I like this keyboard is because it's adjustable. So it's got a split here. You can split it as far away as you need to. So it's really great if you've got broader shoulders so that you're not putting your hands inwards to your body too much, creating an angle here called ulnar deviation, which can put some strain on your wrists. So I love the split, and if you don't have very broad shoulders, you can move it in nice and close. Additionally, it's got the ability to what's called tent, and that's where you can change the height of the keyboard. So it's got a few different heights that you can set it at. This is the highest. You could also set it a little bit lower or all the way flat. So this is nice because some people have an issue turning their hands all the way down. What's really important is that you keep your elbow pits, the front of your elbow forward, and then turn your hand down. If that creates strain for you, then this can reduce the angle. The other thing that I really like for the workstation is the Evolent mouse. And the reason I recommend this is for the same reason as the keyboard being able to tent for those people that have an issue turning their forearm independent of their shoulder joint. So this allows you to keep your elbow in neutral and then without having to strain your hand. It's a little bit more of a neutral handshake type position. So if you are somebody with any upper extremity issues and want to be able to type and mouse comfortably,